successful.
Hello and welcome to this week's King Richard Maths and Science channel.
This week's learning objective is to be able to construct a stem and leaf diagram and use this to find the averages.
Okay, so your homework this week is to draw a stem and leaf diagram. We're going to run through everything for you now, show you a worked example, and then there'll be two slides afterwards. The first one will be a stem and leaf diagram for you to draw. The second one is finding some missing data using a stem and leaf diagram and some averages. So it's quite tricky, that one. But we'll run through one for you now. Here's a set of data. First thing we do is put our list in order. It's always very good practice. So my lowest number on here, I have 5. And then an 8. Then running along a 10. Then a 12. 17. 19. Then I've got two 23s. 24. 27. And 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So I know I haven't missed anything out. Okay, so a stem and leaf diagram, we have a stem. And over this side will be your leaf. So to work out our stems, we need to find the highest and lowest numbers, and these will form the basis of our stems. So my lowest number on this list here is a 5 at the end. My highest number, the other end, is 36. So my stems will be, I have no 10s and 5 units, so I have no 10s there. My highest number is 36, so I'll have 1, 2 and 3. Remember, no 10s, 1 10, 2 10s and 3 10s. Now we just have to put our leaves on. So, I've got a 5, and then an 8, and then I have 10. So you do write your 0 in. That is the leaf of the number. It's no units, but it should still go on there. Then I have a 12, a 17, and a 9 that makes a 19. Space them out and keep them in columns as well, because it will help you when you look at frequencies and things later on. It's very good practice. So for my 20s, I have 23, 23, 24, 27, and then for my 30s I have 36 there. So just to check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 values. They're all on there. The most important thing is a key, otherwise this isn't going to make much sense. Your key you write like this. Pick two numbers off of your list. In this case 2 stroke 3 equals 23. Be careful when you do that so that you don't have two numbers the same. For example, if I write down on my key 1, 1 equals 11, it's fine for now, but when I use this to do more complicated diagrams, it can get very confusing. So just make sure these two numbers are different. Okay. So now I've constructed my stem and leaf diagram. I'm going to find some averages. We're going to find the mode, the median and the range. So your mode is the most common. It's not the number, the list in here with the most numbers on, it's the one that appears more than any other. So it will be one that has more than one leaf, the same in here. So let's have a look through. Here I've got 2 3s. So my most common number is 23. It occurs twice in my list. The median, still my middle number. We have to be careful now. I'm going to use the technique of crossing backwards and forwards, but because our list is laid out like this, we have to be careful that we do it in the right order. So we kind of snake our way around, yeah? So the bottom line and the first number. Then the second number. The next number isn't the 3, it's here. We're working our way back down. Leaves me with this 9 here, which is a stem of 1, so the answer would be 19. And your range is the biggest number, take away the smallest number. Quite easy on a stem and leaf diagram, because you start with the smallest number in the top left, and you'll finish off with down here will be your largest number. Obviously if you have more numbers, it'll be down in the bottom right hand corner. So top left and bottom right. Biggest take smallest, so we take the bottom right number and subtract this number up here. So I've got 36, remember to put your stem in. Take away 5, gives me a range of 31. Put your list in order, work out your biggest and smallest number. These will form your stems. Write your leaves in order, equally spaced. Do a key, remember these numbers need to be different. And then you find your averages exactly as you would off of a list. Just be careful when you're counting back through. And that is a stem and leaf diagram. Hello, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And remember, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you.